What if I told you that financial freedom and building lasting wealth is not as complicated as you might think? It's all about having the right blueprint and following a proven path. Welcome to the Wealth Blueprint. Transform your finances. Many of us grow up with limiting beliefs about money. We're taught that wealth is reserved for the privileged few, or that getting rich requires luck or special connections. But the truth is, anyone can achieve financial prosperity by understanding and applying the principles of wealth creation. In this video, we're going to uncover a step-by-step blueprint that has helped countless individuals transform their financial lives. From shifting your mindset to practical strategies for budgeting, debt elimination, income generation, and investing, we'll explore the key components that form the foundation of building lasting wealth. Whether you're struggling with debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or simply want to accelerate your journey towards financial independence, this blueprint will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to take control of your finances and create the future you desire. So, get ready to challenge your beliefs, embrace a wealth-building mentality, and embark on a journey that will change the way you think about and manage your money forever. The path to financial freedom starts here. Before we dive into the specific components of the wealth blueprint, it's crucial to understand the importance of financial literacy. Contrary to popular belief, building wealth is not about getting rich quick or winning the lottery. It's a deliberate process that requires knowledge, discipline, and a long-term mindset. One of the biggest obstacles to financial success is the prevalence of misconceptions surrounding money and wealth building. Many people believe that earning a high income is the key to financial freedom, when in reality, it's about how you manage your money, regardless of how much you earn. Another common misconception is the underestimation of the power of compound interest in time. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. By starting early and allowing your investments to grow over time, you can harness the incredible power of compounding to create substantial wealth. Financial literacy is not something that is typically taught in schools, which is why so many people struggle with money management. However, by educating ourselves and breaking free from limiting beliefs, we can unlock the door to financial prosperity. In the next section, we'll delve into the key components of the wealth blueprint, providing you with a comprehensive framework to transform your finances and build lasting wealth. At the heart of the wealth blueprint lie 5 essential components that, when combined, create a powerful foundation for building lasting wealth. Let's explore each of these components in detail. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Now back to the video. 1. Mindset shift. Adopting a wealth-building mentality. The first and most crucial step in the wealth blueprint is to shift your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. This involves overcoming limiting beliefs about money and embracing a wealth-building mentality. One key aspect of this mindset shift is practicing delayed gratification and living below your means. Instead of indulging in instant gratification, you learn to prioritize long-term financial goals over short-term wants. This allows you to allocate more of your income towards wealth-building activities, such as investing and paying off debt. Additionally, it's essential to develop a growth mindset towards money. Instead of viewing wealth as a fixed pie, you understand that wealth can be created and multiplied through various means. This opens up new possibilities for income generation and wealth accumulation. 2. Budgeting and expense management. The second component of the wealth blueprint is mastering budgeting and expense management. Without a clear understanding of where your money is going, it's virtually impossible to make meaningful progress towards your financial goals. Tracking your income and expenses is the first step in this process. By categorizing your expenses, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Creating a budget and sticking to it is also crucial, as it helps you allocate your resources intentionally towards your financial priorities. Identifying and reducing unnecessary expenses is another key aspect of expense management. This could involve negotiating better rates for services, cutting back on discretionary spending, or finding more cost-effective alternatives. 3. Debt elimination. Debt is often referred to as the wealth killer, and for good reason. High levels of debt can significantly hinder your ability to build wealth. By diverting a substantial portion of your income towards interest payments, understanding the impact of debt on wealth accumulation is crucial. By recognizing the true cost of carrying debt, you'll be motivated to take action and prioritize debt repayment. The Wealth Blueprint provides strategies for paying off debt, such as the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods. These approaches help you systematically tackle your debts, freeing up more of your income for wealth-building activities. Maintaining a debt-free lifestyle is also emphasized, as it allows you to allocate more resources towards investing and generating additional streams of income. 4. Income generation. While expense management and debt elimination are essential, the Wealth Blueprint also emphasizes the importance of increasing your income. After all, your ability to build wealth is largely dependent on the amount of income you have available to allocate towards wealth-building activities. Exploring multiple streams of income is a key aspect of this component. This could involve starting a side business, investing in income-generating assets like rental properties, or developing passive income sources through various investment vehicles. Entrepreneurship and side hustles are also encouraged, as they provide opportunities for generating additional income beyond your primary job or career. 5. Investing for wealth. The final component of the Wealth Blueprint is investing for wealth. This involves understanding different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, and developing a long-term investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification and asset allocation are emphasized to mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. The Wealth Blueprint also explores long-term investing strategies, such as dollar-cost averaging and investing in low-cost index funds, which have been proven to generate consistent returns over time. By mastering these 5 components and integrating them into a cohesive plan, you'll be well on your way to transforming your finances and building lasting wealth. Now that we've explored the key components of the Wealth Blueprint, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Without practical implementation, even the best financial strategies will remain ineffective. Now, let's take a quick break to talk about an exciting opportunity. If you're interested in learning more crypto investing, I highly recommend checking out the Crypto Quantum Leap course. This course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies and make informed investment decisions. By enrolling in this course, you'll gain valuable insights from industry experts and learn strategies to maximize your returns in the crypto market. To learn more about Crypto Quantum Leap, click the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. The first step is to set smart financial goals. These goals should align with your long-term vision for financial freedom and provide a clear roadmap for your wealth-building journey. Once you have defined your goals, you can create a personalized wealth-building plan that incorporates the various components of the Wealth Blueprint. This plan should outline specific actions, timelines, and milestones to keep you on track and accountable. Implementing the Wealth Blueprint requires discipline, consistency, and patience. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and there will be challenges and setbacks along the way. However, by remaining committed to your plan and making adjustments as needed, you'll gradually inch closer to your financial objectives. It's also important to celebrate small wins and milestones along the journey. These achievements, no matter how small, will reinforce your commitment and motivate you to continue pushing forward. Remember, the Wealth Blueprint is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It provides a framework that you can customize and adapt to your unique circumstances and financial situation. The key is to take action and remain consistent in your pursuit of financial freedom. Throughout this video, we've explored the Wealth Blueprint, a comprehensive framework for transforming your finances and building lasting wealth. We've covered the importance of adopting a wealth-building mindset, mastering budgeting and expense management, eliminating debt, generating multiple streams of income, and investing for long-term growth. By integrating these key components into your financial strategy, you'll be equipped with the tools and knowledge necessary to take control of your money and create the future you desire. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination but a journey, and the Wealth Blueprint provides the roadmap to guide you every step of the way. As you embark on this journey, remember to celebrate your progress, stay disciplined, and remain patient. Building wealth takes time, but with consistent effort and an unwavering commitment, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a future of abundance and security. If you're ready to take your wealth-building efforts to the next level, be sure to watch our upcoming video, Financial Freedom Roadmap, Your Path to Wealth. In this video, we'll dive deeper into creating a personalized roadmap tailored to your unique financial situation, ensuring you have a clear plan of action to reach your ultimate destination of financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and get ready to embark on a journey that will transform your relationship with money forever. The path to financial freedom starts now.